QuickBooks Desktop Pro 2023 software from the official Intuit website or authorized sources. Open the downloaded application file, follow the on-screen prompts and click Next to proceed with the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you will be prompted to accept the software's terms and conditions. Click Accept and continue to proceed. Enter your license key and product number when prompted. These details should have been provided to you when you purchased the software. Click Next to proceed. Choose the recommended installation type and activate the software. If prompted, reboot your system. After activation, you will have two options: create a new company or open an existing company. If you had your company in the 2022 version of QuickBooks, you can choose Open an existing company. Otherwise, select Create a new company to start a new company file.